Hey friends, welcome to another episode of Smart Drive. This is your host Vishwajit. In the Smart Drive series, we are covering four different cars. The first one is Maruti Suzuki Ciaz, then we have Maruti Suzuki Brezza, then we have Hyundai Creta and Ford EcoSport. This episode will be for Ford EcoSport Multimedia Player System, and this will be definitely a vast episode to cover all the settings available in the multimedia player. And this was a real fun to me, and we have elaborated and explored multiple details with all available settings. The Ford is giving so much in this compact car, and you will definitely enjoy this. So let's dig into it. All Ford EcoSport variants except Ambient is equipped with the 9-inch display screen. This is a special infotainment system developed by BlackBerry Systems, and it is also called as Sync 3. We all know the ease of usage and the lots of settings into it. We also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support and automatic update facility over the Wi-Fi. So let's start the actual demonstration. By pressing the push to start button, we have this pop-up animation, and as you can clearly see, it turned into night mode. So first thing first, we will go for the audio. In audio section, you can touch the sources button. Here we have AM, FM and Bluetooth audio. AM is already on. Now we'll go for FM. As you can clearly see, the station listing is below here, and we can just have a quick look of all the available stations in the current city. By pressing the back button on the top left corner, you can set the frequency as well. In case you know the manual frequency mode, you can directly enter the digits over here and it will tune it and save it to your regular preset. Traffic TA will be covered in the later on episodes. The presets is the specialized button so that you can save up to 18 different radio channels. As you all travel along other cities, this will definitely make a good hassle-free movement for your daily listening habits. After pressing the sources, you can see there is a Bluetooth audio, but it needs a Bluetooth device which is but obvious a smartphone. So till now we can cancel this. By pressing the back button once again, we can go into the settings or home button. As you can see, connecting phone is always displayed over here. So these are the phones which were connected previously with the system, and in case you need new phone, you can just press to the pair Bluetooth device. Now discover the other Bluetooth device button will ask you for the permission to check whether the Bluetooth devices are in range or not. Then the searching automatically started. By enabling the Bluetooth from the mobile device, you will see the Ford EcoSport in the listing. After pressing the confirm button, it will start to pair, and it will ask few permissions like the pin. As you can clearly see, the pin is displayed on mobile as well as the multiplayer system, and the pairing is successful. Now it will ask for the messages to be synced with the multimedia player. So if you need a message alert, so you can just press allow, and if you want to set it as a favorite, you can click first option, and this will definitely give priority to your phone in case there are two or multiple phones with the Bluetooth switch on. And automatic contact download is the must have feature so that you can get all the contact details of incoming call on the display panel. So you need not to worry about whose call it is. After that, it will ask for accessing the contacts. After pressing allow, it will show all the contact list in your Sync 3. So this is successfully synced now. As you can clearly see, there are special settings available in mobile itself as well. So by pressing this setting gear in front of Ford EcoSport, you can just browse all the settings or the permissions. In case you have any doubt, we have a special episode on this, so you can see what are the real effects of changing these settings. Moving forward, we can go to Bluetooth. Now Bluetooth is obviously on and there are view devices. So after view devices is listing is open, you can see the two arrows pointing towards each other in front of Galaxy S7 Edge are denoting that it is already paired, and the phone details are also shown on the screen. And here the contacts download is also completed. Now all the contacts could be accessed with Sync 3 only. Moving forward, we can go to phone settings. Here we have first option, that is view devices. So all the devices listed previously will be available over here and you can connect it as your preference. Then the second option is the manage contacts. This is quite effective in case of setting any preferences. As you all know, the automatic contact download is there, and then we have sorting by surname or by forename. Then we have re-download contacts. If you have make any changes in the contact list of the mobile, you can just press this button, and in case you want to delete some contacts, the delete contacts is available. After that, moving forward to the set ringtone. Set ringtone is specifically for the multimedia player speakers, and it will definitely have three different variants. We will see one by one.
Ringtone 3.
The same is with the message tones also. We have 5 different options for the text messaging tones. The first is silent, then the 3 message tones. Let's check it one by one. And the last option is voice readout. In case you have received any message, it will give a full details, contact details of the sender information in the voice readout. Now we have mute audio hands-free off. So in this case, if the Bluetooth phone is connected, then even if you are using the headset to talk, but during the call the songs will not be played. Then we have roaming warning. Roaming warning is very much necessary in case you are traveling across the states. Low battery notification is also very much needed, because of that while you are driving, if the phone drains out quickly, you will have some time to get it charged. Then another setting mode is the mobile apps. This is the customize option given by Sync 3, so that we can access multiple apps which are supported by Sync 3 with our smartphone, and we will go with this in the detailed session or the episode soon, how useful it is for the daily usage. The home display will give you a clock, external temperature and the internal AC temperature. As you can clearly see, the AC control panel is quite at bottom and it will be really hasty to use it every day. So they have made it a little bit comfortable by just having a pop-up display of temperature change on the multimedia player. So it will be really effective during the regular usage and daily driving. Sound settings are very much easy to use. We have treble, mid-range and the bass. Then after that we have balance and fade setting, adaptive volume and DSP. By moving to the balance and fade, we have a fade, that is front to rear transfer of sound. The graphics is quite impressive and effective. Then we have balance, and you can clearly change as per your priority. Make sure that you are using this dot to drag as well, so this will make a quick changes, and this is quite fast and responsive. After pressing the reset button, you will regain the original company position, which is highly recommended by company. Moving forward, we have a special hidden feature here, that is adaptive volume. This will increase or decrease the volume of the audio system as per the speed of a car. High setting will be more effective on the volume changes. The last and best option is the DSP occupancy, and it is for tuning a vehicle speakers as per the occupancy of the car. We have only two options, that is driver only or the all seats. If you are riding alone, you keep it on the driver. If with the family, then keep it on the all seats. As the four cars are already equipped with the GPS time, you can also manually set the hours by left hand side arrow keys and minutes by the right hand side. We also have AM and PM preferences, and you can also select the clock format by 12 hours or 24 hours. The reset clock to GPS time is quite effective and will synchronize with the GPS satellite time. Bluetooth settings are quite simple and effective. The first one is switch on or switch off the Bluetooth section. Here, if you are turning it blue, it is searching for new devices. If it is black, it is totally not having any contact with the Bluetooth devices, even if they are switched on or not. Then we have add a Bluetooth device, which we are already paired a new device. The same process will be happen over here by pressing this button. As you can clearly see, discover other Bluetooth devices was the same display what we have received in earlier part of this video. So this was the first episode for the EcoSport Sync 3 system. In case you have any doubts, you can kindly comment below. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Please note that we have already covered the front panel of this setting page, which is covering sound, clock, Bluetooth, phone, radio and mobile apps. In the second episode, we will covering general emergency assistance as well, Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay preferences, Android Auto preferences, vehicle setting, display, voice control, valet mode and ambient light.